This fruit power strip that I'm about to show you comes from a brand new company. It's called ESHLDTY. It means your electricity shield, and I'm probably not pronouncing that correctly. And they adopted a new weatherproof technology. All their brand products are waterproof, and I'm going to show you. It's super cool. You're going to love it. But first, let's see what's in this box. Which one should I open? I think I will open this one. This one looks cool. So orange, it looks like a watermelon here. And they sent me a Merry Christmas box, like a special Merry Christmas box. Very cool. Okay, let's take a look. All right, it comes with it's a heavy duty power cord. And check this out. Isn't that adorable? Check it out, it's super cute. It's like it's got some fans on the back. So let's see how it works. This cute fruit power strip has a 20 WW PD USB-C fast charge port. It has one USB charge port and 3 wide space AC ports. The USB-C 3 power delivery port is compatible with iPhone 12 and it uses the same chip as the iPhone 12 adapter. It's completely IP x6 waterproof, and this is important. It's electric shock proof with child protection on it. Their electric shock prevention function works even if the child's fingers or keys or other objects are inserted into the outlets. There will not be an electric shock. That's good news. And it's not dangerous. That's better news. Your kids are important. Because of its cute fruit pattern, it makes a great gift. It's adorable, it's functional, it's safe, and it's fun.